Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Ana Morales, and in this video we are going to go over a 7th grade question related to exponents. So this question says, which expression is equal to 3 to the third power times 3 to the second power? This question has two parts. In part A, we have to answer the question of what is 3 to the third power times 3 to the second power, applying the law of exponents, and in part B, we have to evaluate the expression. So let's do part A. So in order for you to do part A, you have to understand the law of exponents. So let's write the question down. Is 3 to the third power, 3 to the third power times, see this dot in the middle represents multiplication, 3 to the second power. Okay, so every time you see that dot, that's a multiplication problem. Now you may be asking yourself, why we use a dot and not the multiplication symbol? And it is because higher level math includes variables, so this may be confused with an X. Therefore, we do not use this multiplication symbol, we use a dot, or we can also use parentheses. Okay, so 3 to the third power times 3 to the second power. This type of problem, we have to apply the product of powers. Now, the product of powers, this is the rule that we have to use, and the product of powers says that when we have the same base, and this is the variable x, to the mth power times x to the nth power is equal to x to the m plus n. In other words, whenever you have a question where you have the same base, and this is the base, in this case the variable x, in this case the number 3, you can just go ahead and add the exponents. So the answer will be the same base, and then you take the exponents and you add them together. Okay, so this is the product of powers rule. So therefore, this question will be keep the same base, 3, and now you take the exponents, 3 plus 2, and then you're going to add them together, which gives you an answer of 3 to the 5th power. Okay, so 3 to the 5th power is answer B. Okay, so that's the answer for part A. Now let's look at part B. Part B says evaluate the expression. Now, the word evaluate means work it out, get an answer. Okay, so some students get confused with the word evaluate. So it means work it out. So let's go back to 3 to the 5th power because that's the answer. And now we have to evaluate. How much is this? Okay, so 3 to the 5th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now we gotta work this out and get an answer. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 9 is 81. And now we have 81 times 3. And 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 8 is 24. Therefore, the answer is 243. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Okay, once again, for this type of questions, you need to know the law of exponents, and you need to know that the word evaluate means work out the question. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.